In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for people on Gmail. If you've ever tried to find a conversation from a specific person and felt overwhelmed by a full inbox, this quick method will save you time and help you get straight to the messages that matter. Start by opening Gmail and making sure you're signed into the correct account. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. This is your starting point. Click or tap inside that bar to place your cursor there. Now, type the person's email address exactly as it's written. Accuracy matters here. Watch out for typos, missing characters, or extra spaces before or after the address. Capital letters don't affect results, but correct spelling does. When you're ready, press enter. Gmail will instantly display all conversations that include that email address. You'll usually see the most recent messages first. Each item in the list may represent a thread, which means multiple replies are grouped together. Even if the subject line has changed slightly over time, as long as the email address is part of that thread, it will appear. This makes it easy to review the entire history of your communication with that person in one place. If you're scanning results, glance at the sender and recipient details beneath each subject line to confirm you're looking at the correct conversation. You can open any message to read the full thread. From there, you can reply, forward, or archive, just like you normally would. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you copied the email address from somewhere else, double-check that there aren't hidden spaces at the beginning or end. If nothing shows up, make sure you're searching in the intended account, especially if you switch between multiple inboxes. Also, remember that Gmail search works the same way on mobile. The search bar sits at the top, you type the email address, and results appear right below. This approach is simple, direct, and reliable. By using the search bar with the exact email address, you're telling Gmail to surface every relevant conversation tied to that contact, which eliminates guesswork and scrolling through pages of messages. Once you find what you need, you can organize your inbox as usual, confident that you can always return to the search bar to pull up those messages again. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, use the search bar at the top, enter the person's email address, and review the results. Quick, clear, and effective.